Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio Ludhiana, where your hair restoration journey begins with cutting-edge techniques and expert care. Located in one of northern India's most vibrant cities, we are proud to be the trusted name for hair transplants and hair restoration. Ludhiana is known for its thriving industry, and when it comes to hair restoration, Advanced Hair Studio brings you world-class solutions backed by over 50 years of expertise. Whether you're dealing with male or female pattern baldness, thinning hair, or hair loss due to stress, our advanced techniques will restore your confidence. Our strand-by-strand ultimate procedure, performed by only plastic surgeons, ensures amazing and long-lasting results with minimal downtime. With FDA-approved techniques, you can be confident that you're in safe hands. Our clinical and non-clinical combination procedures will make sure anyone having any stage of hair loss will get a head full of hair and nothing less than that. And at AHS Ludhiana, we don't stop at just hair restoration. With our exclusive X-Salon services, we also offer premium hairstyling and grooming treatments to help you and your loved ones look and feel your best. From styling to rejuvenating treatments, we ensure that your hair not only looks great, but is in the best possible condition, helping you shine in every moment of your life. Ready to transform your hair and your confidence? Book your consultation today and let us guide you towards a future with thicker, healthier hair. Advanced Hair Studio Ludhiana, where expertise meets excellence in hair restoration.